In today's video, I am sharing with you how to start a real estate business with no money. And I mean what I'm saying. Many people have been following me and following what I say right from when I was a young individual in secondary school, and they have never regretted. And as I'm making this video, I'm looking at some people are saying that what does it mean by saying that how to start a real estate business with no money? Some people are saying are we going to do it with no money? Just relax and follow my steps by step guide in this video. I need you to know that breaking into the real estate industry might seem impossible without substantial capital, but with creativity, strategy, and determination, you can successfully start a real estate business even if you are short on funds. This guide explores proven methods such as wholesaling, forming partnerships, and leveraging existing resources to establish a thriving real estate venture. Now, number one way you can start a real estate business with no money is that you need to understand wholesaling. Real estate with zero investment. That is what wholesaling means. Wholesaling is one of the most accessible ways to start a real estate business without money. As a wholesaler, you act as a middleman. And you know, on this channel, I have been teaching about middleman. So that if you say you don't have money, you can be a middleman for any business and you don't need to spend any dime as a middleman. And I'm telling you, I have done the middleman business before and I'm still doing it and I'm cashing out big time. So finding properties for sale at discounted prices and assigning the contracts to end buyers for a fee. That is what wholesaling means. So these are the steps to get started with wholesaling. Number one, you have to research your market. Identify neighborhoods with high demand for investment properties. Then number two, build a network. Connect with motivated sellers and cash buyers. The next thing you need to do is to negotiate contracts. Secure a property under contract at a lower price than the market value. The next thing is to assign the contract. Sell the contract to an interested buyer, pocketing the difference as your profit. Number two way to go into real estate without money and make money from that real estate is partnership with investors. And this is a win-win approach. Partnerships allow you to leverage the financial resources of others while contributing your time, your knowledge, and your effort. Find investors who are willing to provide capital in exchange for a share of the profits. Now, how do you find partners? Join real estate groups, attend networking events and forums for real estate enthusiasts. Showcase your skills, highlight your market knowledge, negotiation skills, or deal sourcing abilities. Present a plan. Prepare a solid business plan to convince potential investors of your competence. Number three is you need to leveraging seller financing and lease options. Seller financing and lease options allow you to acquire properties without traditional loans. Seller financing, you negotiate with the seller to pay for the property in installments bypassing banks because banks are going to charge you high interest. So if the seller can meet up with the agreement and pay in installments, that is cool for you. Another way you can do this by lease options. Rent a property with the option to buy it later, enabling you to generate income while building equity. Number four way to go into real estate without money and make money from that real estate is using existing assets to kickstart your business. If you own personal assets such as a home or a car, consider leveraging them to start your business. For instance, use home equity to finance initial deals. Offer your vehicle as collateral for a small business loan. So you can use loan or your assets to kickstart the business. Number five is to exploring real estate crowdfunding platforms. And that is what I try to do on this channel. Let's come together, pool resources together. You bring your 200,000, you bring your 200,000, you bring your 300,000, you bring your 2 million, you bring your 1 million, you bring your 5 million. Then we put it together and then we can be able to go into real estate business together, buy properties, rent it out, or resell it later at a profit and distribute profit again back to those who contributed. So if you're interested in this, why don't you go and let me know in the comment section that you're interested and leave your phone number there where I'll contact you and add you to the dedicated WhatsApp group for that purpose. So exploring real estate crowdfunding platforms allow you to invest in real estate with minimal capital. Platforms like Fundrise and Reality Mogul let you pool funds with other investors to purchase properties. While not directly direct ownership, it offers a way to build experience and gain returns. Number six is becoming a real estate agent. Starting as a real estate agent allows you to learn the industry, build relationships, and earn commissions that can fund future investments. With minimal licensing fees, becoming an agent can serve as your stepping stone to broader real estate opportunities. Now, here are some tips for long-term success in real estate investing without money. Build relationships. Networking is essential in the real estate industry. Number two is you need to educate yourself, attend seminars, read books, and follow market trends to stay informed. And you can also follow this YouTube channel. I am dedicating the most part of this YouTube channel in 2025 to real estate education and real estate business and real estate investment. So come along and you are going to be glad that you did. Now, number three is that you need to be persistent. Challenges are inevitable, but persistence will set you apart. Now, I need to let you know that starting a real estate business with no money is entirely possible with the right approach. Strategies like wholesaling partnerships, seller financing, and leveraging existing assets can help you overcome financial barriers and kickstart your journey. Remember, success in real estate requires creativity, determination, and the ability to adapt to opportunities. This is the Dr. Olubengade Tuton TV. Please, if it's your first time on this TV, go ahead and subscribe. This YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you're an old timer, please like this video, share the link of this video, ask your question and comment in the comment section below. I am going to bring you more content about real estate, um, houses, homes, buy to houses for sale, for let, for lease, land for sale, for let, for lease, everywhere in Nigeria and any other place in the world. If you have advert on real estate, bring it on this platform. If you have properties for sale, properties you want to sell or you want to buy and you are looking for, bring it and I am going to do a shout out on your behalf on that property. I'm going to talk to you in the next one. Before then, this video popping up by the side is the next you need to go and watch now. I am going to see you in the next one.